Clause is a grammatical unit that includes at minimum a predicate and subject. Express a proposition. Two types of clauses. Independent clause contain both a subject and a verb that and can stand alone as a sentence. Example, jet lag affects most long-distance travel. Dependent clause cannot stand alone as a sentence. Dependent clauses are introduced by subordinating conjunctions, such as because, what, if. Example, although there is no sure way to prevent jet lag. Independent clause, meaning to add an idea, coordinators, and conjunction adverbs. In addition, furthermore, moreover, also. Examples, women follow more healthful diets and they go to doctors more often. Meaning, to introduce an alternative, coordinators, or conjunction adverbs. Otherwise, examples, student, students must take final exams, otherwise receive a grade of incomplete. Dependent clause. Types of clauses. Noun clause. Subordinators. What, where, why, how, when, who, whom, which, whose, whether, that, if. Examples. He knows that his business will be successful. Types of clauses. Adjective clause. Subordinators. Who, whom, which, whose, that, where, when. Examples. Men who are not married are called bachelors.